there, boys and girls. Mr. Lots coming back at you from Valley View Gym with another sweet, awesome challenge that I call speed bowling. What you're gonna need for this one, boys and girls, are 4, 5, 6 pins, and you can make your pins by using some empty water bottles you might be able to grab out of the recycling, or even some plastic cups you may have in your house, and a ball, and I'm gonna use my trusty sock ball for this one. And boys and girls, you're gonna set up your pins in a row, and I would maybe set them close to a wall, because if you miss your pin, you don't have to be chasing the ball all over the place. I'm gonna show you stopwatch style. Let's see how I do. So there you have it, boys and girls, speed bowling, stopwatch style. Now remember, we can always play it minute to win it style to add that extra pressure to see if you can knock down all your pins in 1 minute. And we always have challenge style. Find someone else in your house to play to see who can knock all your pins down first. I hope you boys and girls enjoy this one. I think you will. Let's go.